I am going to get my hair done this morning, and so I'm super excited. I do have hair extensions, so we are taking out the old weave and putting in the new one. So, good news, it is moving week, and that means we are very busy. So I just stopped at Chick-fil-A, as you can see, to get a Dr. Pepper, and then we're going to go get gas, clean my car, go to Target and pick up some tubs because I don't have any boxes. Y'all, I'm out here with my DIY car cleaning kit, this bucket of hot soapy water, and I'm cleaning my car mats. Look at these Q-tips. That's disgusting. That's from this car mat. So now I need to rinse the soap out, but I'm like dunking my sponge in here, and then I'm like getting after it, crevices and all. Need some more water. So I'm in the middle of packing up my room, and I'm having such a hard time deciding what to keep and what to throw away. So all of these boxes are empty. They're just put together so I can start storing stuff. This is trash. This is just like paper, just stuff I don't need anymore. This is a box of things that I don't need, but yet I don't want to throw away. So like I have this like nice like drawer, binder, picture frame, wrapping paper, notebook, some like bathroom organizer. I have those things that I'll probably just either give away or see if my roommate wants. And then I have a pile of Amazon returns. And then what I'm doing, I don't even know if you can see this, but do you see how this is labeled box 1? And then over here, this one is box 2. So I'm trying to be as organized as I can. And I have a spreadsheet with box 1 and everything that's in box 1. And then box 2 and everything that's in box 2, so that I can keep track of where things are at when it's all packed up. And I'm honestly probably being a little too organized, but like, I mean, I'm down to like details, work heels, nude ankle boots. I mean, even in box 3, I have like my plugs for when we go to Europe, sticker books, pens, pencils, markers, Post-its. I just feel like when moving, especially if you're not planning on like unpacking these boxes immediately, which we don't really know like what we're doing. Like we have a place to stay for a little bit, and then it's kind of like still up in the air. We might travel some more. We might do one of those like short-term leases. We don't know, which is exciting, but knowing that I'll probably put these boxes in storage, I'm like, okay, you need to remember like what's in what, because I can already picture it now. Like I'm like, oh, I need my red heels, and I'm like tearing apart 16 boxes in a storage unit trying to find the one pair of heels that I want. So hopefully this organization system pays off. All right, so it's Thursday. I've got my Swiftie sweatshirt on that came in the mail. I ordered this from Taylor Swift's website in October, and it just came February, 2 days before I move out of my apartment. So if that's not meant to be, I don't know what is. I love it. I mean, how can I not? Anyways, where do you think I am? Target. I swear probably every video I take is of me in this sweatshirt. And I'd say that I don't wear it that often, but I do. In fact, I wore it all day today, and then I took a shower, and because all of my clothes were packed, it was the only thing I could wear. But I'm making a lot of progress. It's just really tough trying to decide like what I need to keep, what I want to give away, throw away, all of that. But closet's cleaned out mostly. This is just a pile of trash, and then everything that needs to go in my car is right there. And I'm getting rid of my bed. Someone's buying it tomorrow. But I don't know yet how I feel about the fact that like my life can fit in a car. I kind of like it because I feel like I could go anywhere and do anything. And everything that I own practically can fit in my little Ford Escape. But hopefully, I mean, God forbid I can't fit this all in there. I really don't know what I'd do. So stay tuned on that. But it's been a super long day. It is Saturday, February 25th. I'm shaking the camera so much. I'm so sorry. It is Saturday, February 25th. And I've been moving since 8 a.m. this morning. Like moving, packing, throwing things away, cleaning things out. You know, if you moved, you get it. Tomorrow, I will start my drive. And who knows what is to come, but definitely an adventure and an exciting next step. I'm gonna go get some pizza, hopefully, and even a beer, because boy, do I need it. I will talk to you in the morning. Good morning from Louisville, Kentucky. Look at my hotel breakfast, man. I am a sucker for some hotel breakfast. This is a red velvet waffle. It is 7:30 a.m. I just woke up. I'm not even hungry, but I needed some of this hotel breakfast. So red velvet waffle by the Hilton. Oh my God, that's so good. Wow. 10 out of 10. Sorry for the awful lighting. In a hotel room. Here for 2 days, today and tomorrow. And then we make our drive to Colorado. Okay, I had to move you because that lighting is atrocious. And honestly, this isn't much better. But this is the view. Nice view of downtown Louisville. And that's everything for this vlog. We are about to get in the car and continue our drive out west. So please subscribe, follow along. I'm just documenting my journey so that I can look back on it and my friends and family can enjoy it. And so I'm happy you're here, happy you're watching, and who knows what the next few months are going to look like, but I'm very excited and of course very optimistic. So thanks again so much for watching.